Here's a quick tutorial on put your iPhone into recovery mode for iPhone display on the screen. I am Max. Let's get started. For iPhone 8 or later, Mac users can use Finder to put their iPhones into recovery mode, and Windows users can use iTunes. First, connect your iPhone to your Mac using cable. It doesn't matter if the iPhone screen is locked or unlocked. Now, press and quickly release volume up button, then volume down button. Then only press and hold the side power button until you see the black screen. Then the Apple logo, and finally, restore the screen with a Mac and Lightning cable. At the same time, your Mac asks to allow accessories pop up. Tap on Allow, and see your iPhone is in recovery mode. Here, you can update your iPhone in recovery mode without erasing contents, or restore your iPhone to its factory settings and clean install the new iOS version. Go with the right option. Suppose you want to exit from this recovery mode. Remove cable connected to your iPhone and hard reboot your iPhone, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.